The most traditional staircase type that are mostly provided in residential building are half landing staircase. This type of staircase is very convenient for climbing upstairs as it contains a midway landing area that can be used for resting and turning purposes. The general width of staircase for residential building is kept as 3 feet. A 2 feet gap will be provided between the staircase slabs till the top of the building so that the light illuminates the entire staircase and the hot air of the entire house can rise up and exit out to the atmosphere. Ventilation plays an important role in planning a house. Keep these small things in mind while working on practical projects. The final staircase will lead to the first floor and the staircase will repeat itself for the rest of the floors. We have to leave this first 3 feet for landing purpose while descending the staircase. The general height of a step, also known as rise, varies between 6 inch to 8 inch. Any rise above 8 inch will be felt uncomfortable while climbing up, so avoid it in all circumstances. We will try first with 7 inch rise value. So the number of step calculation would look like this. 11 feet is equal to 132 inch. If we divide 132 inch by 7, then it comes out to be 18.86. This means we can build complete 18 steps with 7 inch rise value and the last 19th step will remain incomplete. So let's see how we can adjust this while making the steps. Keep in mind, the first step of a staircase should always be kept 4 inch extra in height as flooring of this floor will bury the first step if we do not provide it an extra depth. So 7 plus 4 comes out to be 11 inch. The general width, also called as tread of a step, varies between 10 inch to 1 feet. Do not go below 10 inch as majority of people will not be able to place their foot comfortably due to narrow width of steps. We will choose 1 feet as we have a large 16 feet space available for staircase arrangement.